Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Cynthia and thank you for clicking on this video. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a ventilating needle, and without saying much, subscribe and leave the notification bell on so that you can be notified anytime I post. So let's get into it. So guys, for this process I'm using my pliers, and that's what I'm going to use to bend the needle that I'm using. And another thing that I'm using is my scalpel. And guys, I'm using the scalpel because I feel like the razor blade won't be effective for this process. That's the needle that I'm using, but you can also use this type of needle. So guys, the first step, you take your needle, then use your pliers to bend the tip. And guys, I believe you know what the ventilating needle is and what it looks like. So I'm just bending that part, and you can see I'm already achieving a hook with that process. The bent needle is not the ventilating hook. That's not what it looks like. So in that hook there's also a small hook that holds the hair, and just stay tuned to see how I make it. So guys, you want to continue with this process until you get a perfect result. Make sure your hook is carved nicely. So guys, that's what you should have by the end of that process, and we're going to use our scalpel to make a tiny hook on our needle. And guys, what they don't really tell you is that the ventilating needle has a hook on it. It's so tiny to notice, but its functionality depends on that hook. That's what we're going to make right now using our scalpel. So guys, to achieve a ventilating needle, you just cut the hook using your blade, and if you get rough sides, just scrape it until it's smooth. So guys, you can see I'm already achieving a cut with my blade, and you want to continue with this process until you end up with something like this. So for that round end, it's pointless to have it, and I'm just going to use my pliers to cut it out so that it can give me an easier time when I want to hook my hook onto something. Wow. So guys, from this point you can use anything to hold as a holder for your hook. A pen, you can put it there, then tie it using a thread, or you can use a stick, you put it like that, then tie it using a thread. Guys, I feel like at this point we are free to call it a ventilating needle, and when I'm done we'll just try it out.
Change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season, not for long.
So guys, your final result should look like this, and let's try it out. So guys, here's my lace, and I'm just passing my ventilating needle through a hole, and from that point I'm going to hook 2 strands of hair on that hook, then pass it through the lace again. Then from there I'm hooking the strands of hair that I'm holding on this side, then turning my ventilating needle down, then making a knot with that. So guys, you can see how functional the tiny hook on the ventilating needle is, and I think I'll do a detailed tutorial on how to ventilate, but for this video I think I'll just show you and prove to you that you can make a ventilating needle at home and it can perfectly work. So I think I'll just let y'all watch, because right now I'm just ventilating. And please subscribe, share with a friend, leave the notification bell on so that you can be notified every time I post. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.
You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze.